Tooth extractions are a very common dental procedure, but when it comes to replacement of these missing teeth, a lot of patients tend to give it a second thought. So in this video, we'll be discussing whether is it really necessary to replace a missing tooth, and if it is, then why. So let's get started with the video. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to dental.com. I'm Dr. Rucha Marathe and I'm a practicing dentist in Mumbai. Today's video will be discussing whether is it really necessary to replace a missing tooth, and if it is, then why. A tooth is generally extracted when it has decayed beyond repair, if it is very mobile or if it has fracture. But after an extraction, it is very important to replace a missing tooth. For a simple reason, because it has both short-term and long-term implications. So in this video, I'll be giving you 5 reasons as to why it is necessary to replace a missing tooth. Our teeth function as a single unit. They are in constant contact with each other and help each other stay in place. But when a tooth is extracted, the adjacent teeth, they tend to drift towards the gap, and hence a noticeable tooth movement occurs over a period of time. Because of these tooth movements, the alignment of the teeth gets disrupted and gaps are formed between the teeth. These gaps between the adjacent teeth leads to food lodgement, and food lodgement eventually leads to various problems like gingivitis, that is swelling of the gums, loosening of the teeth and cavities. If you have a missing tooth and you smile, the gap is the first thing that gets noticed. So you will always tend to hold back your smile and you won't be able to smile confidently. If you have a missing tooth, then it is a natural tendency that you would prefer chewing from a side where all the teeth are present. Over a period of time, your chewing becomes unilateral, and this would have adverse effects on the temporomandibular joint. Moreover, because the food is not chewed properly, it would also lead to improper digestion. When a tooth is extracted, the tooth that opposes the site of extraction tends to outgrow its position, and it continues to grow longer till it finds a point of contact. And because of the supra-eruption of this tooth, you will eventually face problems like food lodgement, sensitivity and cavities in the opposite arch as well. When a tooth is extracted, the bone tends to decrease in height and size, and visible changes are seen in the facial muscles. Because of these changes, you tend to look older than your actual age. When a tooth is not replaced for years, it leads to malocclusion and a collapsed bite. This in turn has a direct effect on the temporomandibular joint. Over a period of time, you would face problems like pain in the TMJ or clicking of the jaws while opening or yawning. So the next time when you undergo an extraction, do not forget or neglect to replace the missing tooth, as it is very important. Having said that, we come towards the end of the video. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, you could ask me in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel dental.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you in my next one.